Hello, this is Mr. Sladkey. We're going to do a few tidbits about quadratics. First, we're going to start with the vertex form of a quadratic. That is, f of x equals a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. A determines the shape. Remember, if a is huge, large number, then it's very thin. If a is really close to 0, like a fraction, then it becomes really wide. If a is less than 0, it opens down, and if a is greater than 0, it opens up. HK is the vertex of the parabola, HK. And then x equals h, you already learned about this, is the axis of symmetry where it splits it right down the middle. Then we have also the standard form of a quadratic, and the rule is negative b over 2a is the h value, and the k value is determined if we just put this number back into the function, f of that number, and that'll give us the y value or the k value. Okay, so I thought I'd give you a little question. In the middle of this, what was T-Rex's favorite number? 8. I thought you'd like that. Okay, so let's do this question. This is an example. Determine the quadratic function whose vertex is given at -2, -5, and whose y-intercept is -1. All right, there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to do it first just by graphing. Okay, so -2, -5, I'm going to put a point there. I know the y-intercept is at -1, so here's another point. So we know it's going to be a graph, and we know that if the line of symmetry is like this, we know that there's another point right here. Okay, so we know it opens up. We have the other point, 0, -1 is on the graph, and -4, -1. We know that this is the vertex -2, -5, so we're just going to put that in the vertex form. I'm going to put a point, I just put in one of these points in here and solve for a. A turned out to be 1, and there we go. Let's check it out. This graph does check out to be the correct graph. Now don't forget also that we can expand this graph and we could make it into standard form, and that standard form is the same form as this. So you can get from here to here just by doing a little FOIL. Okay, we could also do this on a calculator. Okay, I put the 3 points into my stat plot. All right, put the 3 points in there, and then what you do, you hit stat, calc, and then quadratic, which is number 5. Okay, I like to store, first of all, it's list 1, list 2. I like to store it in my y value, y sub 1, y vars, function, y sub 1. That way I can easily graph it. Okay, I'm going to hit calculate, and there we go. Do you see that's just the same? Y equals 1x squared plus 4x minus 1. That was exactly what we got before. So if you graph that, you're going to get the same exact graph. Thanks for watching. Hope this has been helpful.